day, everyone!
My name is Nicolay Carambias of Grade 4 Ipil-Ipil from Santa Cataya Elementary School under my science teacher, Mr. Harley B. Corsica. My home-based collaboration, Family Video Project, is all about different sources of water and its uses. Together with my auntie.
My name is Francia Altares.
Water comes from different sources. Let's discuss each one of these sources. Seawater. Seawater is salty. It is found in the sea and oceans. It is also considered hard water. Second, fresh water. Fresh water is also called surface water. It does not contain salty and it's found in open but small bodies of water like rivers, lakes, creeks, and ponds. Third, groundwater. Groundwater, it is found beneath the earth's surface. It comes from water that soaks into the ground. It is the cleanest water and contains plenty of dissolved minerals, which the human body needs. Uses of water in our daily activities. Fresh water is used for
Historic city of Caloocan, from a school SQES. It prepares pupils for life with achievers of.
Hello mga ka-learners! Did you know that the 3/4 of Earth's surface is covered with water? The water part is bigger than the land part. That is why the Earth called the blue planet.